Welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about something that's as crucial as knowing when to use they are, there, or there. Yep, we are talking about career options for the humanities students. It's not just about becoming an artist and struggling in a tiny art studio eating instant noodles every night. We are going to show you why you need to explain the world of humanities degrees and career options to your first-time college-going kid. As usual, practice deep breathing while listening to feel better and healthy. They say education is the key to success. But let's be real for a second, sometimes that key gets lost in the laundry pile. Or worse, in the never-ending stream of which course should I pick? If only there was a way to make it less of a guessing game, right? Well, lucky for you, we've got the solution today. Let's have a real moment. You've been through school, college, and the world of work. You've survived the mysterious world of taxes, managed to figure out what LinkedIn is, finally, and perhaps even survived family gatherings without too much drama. You've already learned a lot, and it's your moral duty to pass that wisdom on. Especially when it comes to helping your child pick the right career, because let's face it, they're not always going to pick the right course just because their friend is doing it. Trust us. Let's dig into the fantastic world of humanities, an often underrated stream that opens up a world of possibilities. Whether your child dreams of studying history, psychology, or literature, there's a career path for each and every one of them. Parents, you've got to teach your kids that the world is not divided into just doctors, engineers, and, the other options that come with zero fun. It's more than that. Let's break it down a little. Pursuing a degree in the arts and humanities opens doors to diverse career opportunities across industries. A Bachelor of Arts (BA) degree, typically spanning 3 years, offers various specializations, each leading to distinct career paths. A BA in psychology prepares graduates for roles such as psychologists, counselors, and HR managers, with employment opportunities in hospitals, NGOs, and corporate sectors. With an estimated salary ranging from 4 to 7 lakhs per annum at the entry level and 12 plus lakhs per annum for experienced professionals, this degree is ideal for those interested in human behavior and mental health. Similarly, a BA in journalism equips students with the skills to become journalists, editors, and media planners. With employment in media houses like Zee and Star India, or digital platforms such as Netflix, salaries start at 4 to 7 lakhs per annum and can exceed 10 lakhs per annum with experience. For literature enthusiasts, a BA in English literature leads to careers in writing, editing, and teaching, with job prospects in publishing houses like Penguin and HarperCollins. Starting salaries range from 3 to 6 LPA, with experienced professionals earning 8 plus LPA. A BA in sociology offers pathways into social work, research, and policy analysis, with opportunities in NGOs like CRY and UNICEF, government agencies, and research institutes. Entry-level salaries fall between 4 to 7 LPA, reaching 10 plus lakhs per annum with experience. Those with a passion for governance and political systems may pursue a BA in political science, leading to careers as political analysts, civil servants, or policy consultants. Graduates find opportunities in government, think tanks, and research agencies, with salaries ranging from 5 to 8 lakhs per annum at entry level and exceeding 15 lakhs per annum for experienced professionals. Further education enhances career prospects, such as an MA, Master of Arts, a 2-year program that opens opportunities in teaching, consulting, and social work, with salaries from 4 to 8 lakhs per annum initially and 12 plus lakhs per annum with experience. For those aiming for leadership roles in business, an MBA, Master of Business Administration, is a lucrative option. With an investment of 2 to 15 lakh, graduates secure positions as management consultants, marketing specialists, or HR managers in top MNCs like TCS, Accenture, and consulting firms such as BCG. Salaries start at 8 to 15 LPA, with experienced professionals earning 30 plus LPA. Each of these degrees provides a stepping stone into dynamic careers, allowing individuals to explore their interests while securing financial stability in the long run. Please note that the costs, career opportunities, and salary figures mentioned are approximate estimates and may vary depending on the institution, government or private, location, industry demand, and individual skill set. Tuition fees can differ significantly based on the university, while salaries may fluctuate depending on experience, job role, employer, and economic conditions. It is advisable to research specific institutions and career prospects before making any decisions. Parents, remember, education is more than just a degree. It's about nurturing the child's interests and helping them realize that there's no one-size-fits-all career. Whether your child's drawn to psychology, literature, or even sociology, guide them to choose the path that excites them. And hey, don't be afraid to remind them that you've been through the struggle of figuring out a career and can help them avoid making the same mistakes. So, what did we learn today? Humanities degrees offer a whole bunch of career options, from writing and editing to psychology and sociology. And guess what? There's money to be made in all of these fields, too. As parents, it's your job to help your kids navigate this exciting world. Remember, they're not just learning for the sake of learning, they're shaping their future, and your guidance is crucial. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with every parent you know. And don't forget to forward this video to help your kids make smarter career decisions. After all, we're in this together, helping the next generation find their true calling.